If you've ever bought a pair of pants that fit perfectly everywhere except the length, you know how annoying it can be. Sometimes the pants are just a little too long, but you don't want to go through the trouble of sewing or taking them to a tailor. That's exactly why I wanted to try this handheld stitch gun. This tool is designed to quickly secure fabric using small plastic fasteners instead of traditional stitching. It's commonly used for clothing tags in retail stores, but it can also be used as a quick clothing fixer. Inside the kit, you get the stitch gun itself, 6 needles, and a large number of fasteners. It actually comes with 1,000 black fasteners and 1,000 white fasteners, which means you'll have plenty for future fixes. The concept is simple. Instead of sewing thread through fabric, the gun inserts a tiny fastener that holds 2 layers of fabric together. To test it, I used it on a pair of long business slacks that were just slightly too long for me. The pants fit well everywhere else, so hemming them was really the only thing they needed. Using the stitch gun was surprisingly straightforward. You load the fasteners into the tool, insert the needle through the fabric where you want to secure it, and press the trigger. The gun releases a small fastener that connects the folded fabric and holds it in place. Within just a few minutes, I was able to create a quick hem on the slacks, and the result looked neat and secure. What I like about this method is that it's fast and doesn't require sewing skills. If you don't own a sewing machine or don't feel comfortable stitching fabric, this tool gives you a simple alternative. Another advantage is portability. The stitch gun is small enough to keep in a drawer or travel bag, so it's easy to grab whenever you need to fix clothing quickly. Because it comes with both black and white fasteners, you can choose whichever color blends better with your fabric. It's also useful for other situations beyond hemming pants. For example, it can help with quick clothing adjustments, temporary repairs, attaching tags, or fixing loose fabric areas. Overall, this tool is a simple but practical solution if you want quick clothing fixes without sewing. For my slacks, it worked perfectly and saved me a trip to the tailor. I've linked to the product below if you want to check it out. And if you enjoyed practical product reviews like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful finds. And it'll keep me motivated to make more. Thanks for watching.